Okay, here I am on the downs above Guildford. Guildford's down there. You can see it, you can see the cathedral. I'm up on the downs and we're throwing a stick around. Just give you an idea of the panorama. Lovely places. What's nice about England is that they have footpaths that cross private properties. They can walk all over the countryside without worrying about trespassing. Yeah, right, Audrey. See? Look at her waiting there for me to come and throw that stick. As she sits with the paw bent like that and her head down. You're a funny old girl. Okay, now don't you start barking. Don't you start barking. I said don't start barking. There you go. There. How about that? What a smart girl.